to me, school life is according to me, school life is the best life for us because in that life we cannot think about our future. We are all we when I was in school, I only think about today's which serial we can see, and whenever we go to the bathroom, many of the this is a coincidence, ma'am. Whenever our friends go to the corner of bathroom, we talk about the episode of Shaktiman, episode of Sonpuri, episode of Sakalaka Boom Boom, and these serials, and we have no any tension about our future. So it is a very pleasant time, ma'am, and it is a very memorable time where we thought about the serials and activities after some time after this lunch what we have do, just like as what we play. So there is no any tension according to ma'am. Child, sorry, school life is the best life for me, ma'am, and everyone. That's it. What the others thought.
I think school life is better than college life. As Pratya said, in school life, we try to learn. There is no any future career for us. We don't think about future or career. We only simply go, learn, enjoy, play in school. And there is no any kind of pressure on us that we have to read, we have to give tests or anything. We only enjoy learning. We keep on going to schools and we try to learn, enjoy by enjoying the studies. There is no any pressure on us. School life is also good because in that time we are very innocent, like we are like a child. We don't have any kind of institutions from our parents or college school teachers. Like we are free of all society's norms, regulations. We enjoy our school life.
How can you say school life has no obligations, no rules and regulations? I don't agree to that.
No, ma'am. I said no obligations as per society. Means we don't think our society like what people will think. If I will say this, what teacher will think, what other student will think. We don't think about that.
All right,
We
somebody.
only learn and
Yeah,
study.
yeah, yeah. That's it. All right, everybody, please give in your inputs.
Yes, ma'am. I think the college life is very interesting. It is very, very interesting phase of life. In this phase, we are a little bit matured and we enjoy every phase in our life. Here we get a praising from our teachers. Yeah, we had a little bit pressure for the future also, but ma'am, this is very interesting because we think about what we do in the future. So I think the college life is the very interesting part, and once the college life is gone, it never come back. And for me, college life is very interesting. Here we make friends, many friends. We enjoyed a lot. In college life we learn many things like doing the assignments, presentations. We get new challenges, and these challenges makes us a good person. So I think that the college life is an interesting life.
Yes, next.
Beautiful, and it's so sad that Diwali is coming. मतलब मैं रिकॉर्डिंग ऑफ था इसलिए बोल.
Guys, please speak. Gaurav is there. I am talking to only people who are.
Yes, ma'am.
With the cameras on. Sagar, Gaurav, Komal, given your inputs about college life versus school life.
Yes, ma'am. In school life,
I think college life is more better because in college life we become like a scientist. We do experiment on like everything. We learn everything. We just don't think we fail. We fail. We succeed. And I like college life because of learning.
Now, there are some drawbacks of school life. There are some advantages also. Drawbacks of college life and advantages also. Let us talk about the drawbacks which you have faced in your school life. Mohammad Saiful, I mean, you have joined in. Yeah, please speak up.
And school life is fun. We enjoy a lot. Uh, we don't have any pressure. Here we make friend. Here
Gaurav,
we
what
make
are the
family member.
drawbacks? What are the
Drawback, ma'am.
drawbacks of school life? Tell me.
I mean, in school life, we don't learn skilled. We just learn theoretical part. That's why this is the biggest disadvantage of school life, in my point of view. Ma'am.
Okay. Please give in your inputs.
In school life, we get a lot of homeworks and theoretical part, as Sagar said. Means we teachers always give us that make this homework, but that are not useful in our practical life. We study a lot of things that is not useful in our life in school days.
And one more drawbacks, ma'am, I would like to add in this: the friends. No one connected after the school when I leave the school, ma'am. That's why I don't like.
Yes, Komal.
Yes, ma'am. And learning things you won't like, you won't need in real life. Trying to meet high expectations, the amount of homeworks,
School days, ma'am, are always for very long hours. And at our childhood time, we don't focus like that. That there are very long time hours for our schools.
Now you must have all gone to school. Give me the inputs, give me your feedback of your school and how things were. This you can do very easily. Your school, whatever happened, the good parts, the not so good parts. Everybody please start speaking. This is a speaking class, and if you will not interact, the communication club will go down the drain. Tell me your experiences about school. Which school you had gone to? Who were your teachers? What were your favorite subjects? Did you indulge in any extracurricular activities? Did you get any prize for anything? What does your teacher think about you? Or what did the teacher think about you? Were you the favorite of any teacher? I want all these questions answered. Come on, start. Yes, Anku Kumari, start now. These questions I want answers from everybody. And I'm also marking you. Whoever is speaking, I'm giving you the marks for your presentation today. We are starting again. Chalo, Gaurav, start. Gaurav, start. Don't you know the name of your school?
Yes, ma'am.
Then I am slowly removing people who are not seen. मैं इनको रिमूव कर रही हूँ. ये अब ज़्यादा दिन चलने वाला है नहीं. I will teach only students who are there, who are seen. Otherwise, quietly I am removing everybody. जिनको नहीं पढ़ना है, मार्क्स नहीं लेना है, आराम से घरे बैठिए. दोनों चीज़ नहीं होगा. लॉगिन भी करेंगे, बोलेंगे भी नहीं, कुछ न सामने रहेंगे न कुछ आंसर करेंगे. ये तो बहुत गलत बात है और इसी वजह से आपका क्लास पीछे चला गया. Your class is suffering a setback. पीछे चले गए हैं, पहले आप लोग ठीक थे. I'm removing everybody who's not. Nobody will be allowed. If you keep your cameras off, stay at home. घर में तो हो ही, जाओ कुछ और करो. यहाँ बैठ के भी कुछ कर ही रहे हो तुम. फॉर नेम सेक आप यहाँ पर हैं. और अब हम this is a major question which I am giving to students who are in the final semester. What do your teachers think about you? What do your parents think about you? What do your friends think about you? तो हम तो यही बोलेंगे ना. What do your teachers think about you? I think BBA batch is very indisciplined. They do not listen to the teachers. मैं तो यही बोलूँगी. तो मैं सिर्फ उन लोगों के बारे में बोलूँगी. दे आर गुड, लाइक अनीशा, माही, प्रत्यय, कोमल. बाकी लोग हम नहीं जानते हैं. And seriously speaking, I don't know anybody else in this class. I seriously do not know them. सामने हो गए मैं पहचानूंगी भी नहीं. ये कई बार कहने के बाद भी you remain to be indisciplined. अपने मन के करते हो तो ठीक है, टाइम वेस्ट हो रहा है. आप लोग की वजह से बाकी लोगों का टाइम वेस्ट हो रहा है. अगली बार से आप अलाउड नहीं होंगे. मैं नाम दे के अलाउ करूँगी. जो लोग सामने हैं उनको मैं अलाउ करने वाली हूँ. बाकी लोगों को तो एंटर करने देंगे नहीं हम. ठीक है, आज टाइम वेस्ट हो रहा हमारा, लेकिन एक डिसिप्लिन तो हम सामने ला के रहेंगे. और बाकी लोग इनको रिमूव किया गया है. जाइए, जो करना है करिए, मस्ती करिए, क्लास में नहीं रहिएगा. चलिए, तुम लॉग इन नहीं किए हो तो आप कैमरा ऑन अगर नहीं है तो आप कुछ बोलोगे कैसे? आप भी चुपचाप हैं. कम्युनिकेशन क्लब को ऐसे ही अगर धज्जी बढ़ा देना है तो क्या फ़ायदा? क्या स्टार्ट योर रोल प्ले.
I would like to invite Sagar and Pratyay. Sagar, you are the HR manager, and Pratyay, you have come here for the post of sales manager. And Sagar, you have to take interview of Pratyay.
Okay, Sagar is taking an interview. Sagar and Pratyay, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Wait.
Good morning, Sagar. Sorry, Good morning, sir. May I come in?
Please come in.
May I sit, sir?
Yes, of course, you can sit and relax. So, the first is thing, relax and don't hesitate and tell me about yourself.
My name is Pratyay Prakash Singh. I was the student of Siemens College, and now I am past BBA from Siemens College, and today I'm applying for the job of HR in your company. And your company, Kirloskar, is a very great company according to me, and that's why I want to join your company, because I know lots of things about your company, and so the pumps and motors of your company is very good. That's why I join your company.
HR, right? So, why you choose HR? What is the motive behind this?
I choose HR because when I'm in to recruit the peoples, because when I was in the BBA. Then at that time, I thought that after some time ago, I will be a HR because I read the organization behavior where I was studied the organization behavior very carefully, and because to recruit the peoples in the organization, that's why I want to be a HR.
Okay. That's the very small question. What is the main characteristics of leader according to you, Pratyay?
According to me, sir, the main characteristic of leader to motivate the employer. They satisfied the employer. They satisfied the employer. They communicate with the employer in a very easy way, and they feel the problems of the employer, and they also cooperate the employers about in their problems. They influence the employers, and this is the main role of the leaders, according to me, sir.
Okay. Very nice, Pratyay. And what is your family background?
I belong to a nuclear family. My father is a businessman. He runs some machinery stores in my hometown, and my mother is a homemaker, and one of my brother is an engineer in Accenture, Bangalore. Now he's working. He's work from home. This is my family background.
Okay. Tell me why I give this position to you. What is the main what I see in you to give this position?
So because I'm not telling that what is right in me and what is wrong in me, but one thing I want to tell you that I work in your company I do my full efficient in your company, and I am a very hardworking a student in my student life, and I have also give you the resume of my cultural program, my activities, my IT classes, and क्या बोल सकते हैं? Thank you.
The last question is, are you interested in learning or earning?
Sir, I am always interested in learning because there is no time for learning. Because according to me, there is no time for learning. If you are an old person, you can also learn the Hindus and the many things like Gita and many other things. There is no time for learning. If I am in your organization, in your company, I want to earn by learning, because if I learn something more and more, then I earn a lot of things, lot and lot, according to me, sir. So I cannot leave the learning in any stage, any age.
According to you, if you learn more, if you earn more, right?
Yeah.
Thank you so much.
Thank you, sir.
And that's all.
Thank you. Can I apply?
Alright, that was good.
No, हो गया, अभी रुकिए ना दो मिनट.
Yeah.
फिर से नहीं ठीक है. मैं पूछ रहा था मैम, हमें पॉइंट हुए कि हम छाट दिए, पूछना जरूरी है ना, बताइए तब मैं किसी और कंपनी में फिर से पॉइंट होंगे.
नहीं, अभी you cannot ask the person whether I am selected or not. The person will tell you, okay, we'll get back to you. Immediately, nobody tells you that yes, you are selected. Yes, Alisha, next.
Yes, ma'am. Ayush and Gaurav.
Gaurav, are you there?
Yes, ma'am.
And where is Anku?
Ayush. Ayush. No, ma'am. Ayush.
Yes, ma'am.
No, I'm talking to Anku.
She said I use.
Yeah.
Ayush, you are the anchor and you have to call Gaurav to perform some activities.
And who else?
Assuming that there is a function in our college and
Yes.
you are the anchor, Ayush, and you have to call Gaurav to perform some activity.
Hello, ladies and gentlemen. A very good morning to all of you. We have Gaurav Raz, who is going to say who is going to perform let me think. Okay. Hello, ladies and gentlemen. A very, very good morning to all of you. We have Gaurav Raz, who is going to perform, perform in a program, dance program. So, hello, Gaurav Raz. Are you there?
Yeah, but how will we dance on online class?
No. Okay. So, what do you want? Would you like to say something on speech or?
I sing a little song.
Okay. Okay, please continue. Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes.
Can I have some other content? Like, can we talk like strangers or something like that?
Okay, fine. Fine.
Because I am not prepared for that. Okay, ma'am.
Okay, fine.
Hello. What's your name?
My name is
Gaurav, are you
Gaurav Raz.
comfortable in that?
Yeah.
Okay. So we can start now. So, hello, what's your name?
My name is Gaurav Raz.
Okay. So what do you do? Are you student or are you working?
I am a student. What about
Okay.
you?
I'm a student too. So where are you from?
I am from Hajipur. Yeah.
Okay, nice. And what are your hobbies?
Listening music,
Okay,
traveling. And what
that's
about you?
nice.
Your hobbies. And what about you?
Yes. I also like listening to music and watching movies, and I enjoy traveling as well.
Oh, nice.
I enjoy surfing internet in my free time.
Tell me something about your family.
So, yeah, we have 5 members in my family. Apart from my parents, I have one elder sister and one younger brother. My elder sister is pursuing MBBS. My younger brother is in class 12.
Oh, nice.
So, and what about you?
I live in a nuclear family.
Okay.
Including me, my father, mother, grandfather, grandmother.
Nice. So, you said I like traveling. So, how many places have you been up to now?
Delhi, Nepal, Ujjain.
Oh, you have been to Nepal?
Yeah.
Okay. Which place? Where in Nepal?
मंदिर गया था मैं काठमांडू मंदिर में जो है
Kathmandu and
very small like 4 and 5
Oh, that's nice. I did my +2 from Kathmandu itself. Yes. So, do you like watching movies?
Yeah, little bit.
Okay. What kind of movie do you like the most?
Action movie.
Okay. So, what is your plan for your future? So, what do you want to be?
Become a successful businessman in future.
Oh, that's nice. So, will you do
what
job
about you?
or you will have your own business?
Yeah. And what about you?
Yes, I want to open my own business.
Oh,
But before that, for the first 1 or 2 year, I will do job to gain experience. Then after I will decide. Okay, it was nice talking to you. Best of luck for your future.
okay.
Yes, very good. Ayush and Gaurav, very good. So this is the way it should be, no? Take up from anywhere and start talking. This is the way.
Topic child trafficking.
Okay. Yes, what?
Child trafficking. The topic is child trafficking.
Fine, start.
Okay, ma'am. I will start the topic. Okay, ma'am. Good morning, everyone. Respected ma'am and my dear friends. I am Mahi Singh in front of you, and today I got a platinum opportunity to present my speech on the topic child trafficking. As we all know that we are familiar with the word child trafficking. Child trafficking is now a serious issue in our country, and it's an alarming cause in our country. Human greed has taken an ugly turn. Humans have reached to such a point that have engaged themselves in the activity of child trade just to fulfill their own selfish needs. The children are tricked or persuaded into leaving their homes, and then they are transported to various places from their native place overnight, and they are forcefully exploited or even forced to work as a labor. The child traffickers undergoes different types of abuse and exploitations, and the trafficker enforce the violence in order to gain control over the children. Children tend to live in the unsafe and the unhygienic condition. By seeing their condition, it's a very pitiable for that children. So we need to make some steps regarding these steps to control the child trafficking, because it's a really very serious issue. Child who are the victims of the child trafficking are facing the lots of problem. They get depressed, they face many problems, and when they are just away from their parents were also worried about them. So the person who get the child trafficked, they assault them. They just take out the many organs from their body, like kidney, heart, and many things, and they just sell to the other person. So I think that this must be abolished, and child marriage also forms the child trafficking, because the child traffickers now targeted on the local areas, the slum areas, because the person in that area, the person were not educated, and they were mainly targeting the small age girl. So just we need to improve it, the condition of the slum area, and make aware about them the child trafficking conditions. And a very well known NGOs like Child Rights CRY has taken the initiative about the child traffickers, and to provide the happy childhood to all the children. And they are also helps the victims of the child trafficking, who are just get trapped by the child traffickers. So they carry out a very rescue mission, and just there are many children who are just now getting a very happy life. So children are just become the very very easy target for them, because they are not they are less matured and they are less capable to understand anything. So they get easily influenced by them easily. So I think that many initiative steps should be taken to make awareness about the child trafficking.
All right. Invite two persons to talk about it.
Now I would like to invite Anku. Now I'd like to invite Anku to present a speech on child trafficking.
Anku has not spoken anything. And there's also roll number 40, Rashi. Rashi, if you want to be here, switch on your camera. Yes, Anku, please start saying something. Yeah.
Repeat again, Mahi.
Yeah, Anku, the topic for the speech is child trafficking. You're aware of the word child trafficking, that child trafficking is now increasing day by day. The meaning of the child trafficking is that the people get easily trapped the child, and means in simple word I just say the child are kidnapped, okay, and just they are given to a person or something. The meaning of the child trafficking is just children are getting kidnapped easily.
Child traffic is illegally recruited and transferred, hotspot, and or received by threat forces and including fear and purpose of exploiting either within the outside or country. Child trafficking is a common malpractice in India, but and children especially turn into moving and another city and tourist tourism and pornography and illegal activity. Kidnapped children are often forced and to beg and sometimes their organ like kidney, etc. And these children are also often used to drug trafficking purpose. Children brought into the city and sold the bonded labor to industry owner, and they are often placed all factory carpet waving and Indian laws do not a legal definition child trafficking because the immoral traffic act deal only with the trafficking of minors for prostitution. However, other law are present which can against the child trafficking. IPC Indian Penal Code generally justice act trafficking, but all many child sold the drugs and it's a not good behavior.
All right, thank you. from the next class, from the next Friday activity class, please be prepared in a better way. And those who are attending, they should keep their cameras on, otherwise don't attend. Be absent. But this looks really bad. You are allowed once, twice, thrice. Roll number 40. Third time I have allowed her and still she has the camera off. तो अगले फ्राइडे से किसी भी क्लास से अगर आपको कैमरा ऑन नहीं करना है तो यू स्टे अवे फ्रॉम द क्लास. वी कैन नॉट हेल्प यू. यू आर सिटिंग इन योर कंफर्ट जोन, यू आर सिटिंग एट होम and you're not even keeping your cameras on. For the next class, you will not be allowed, and you still don't have a camera on. ये तो मेरे क्लास में नहीं चलने वाला है. Okay, that's it for today. And from the next class, be serious about it. और जो भी दिया गया है आज आपको टॉपिक्स, स्कूल वर्सेस कॉलेज लाइफ, एवरीबडी कैन स्पीक अबाउट इट. नहीं बोला आप लोगों ने. लॉन्च द टॉपिक बिफोर हैंड सो दैट पीपल कम प्रिपेयर्ड. एंड माही, इफ यू वांट टू स्पीक ऑन चाइल्ड ट्रैफिकिंग, गिव देम द स्पेस, गिव देम सम टाइम टू प्रिपेयर. And Anisha, if you are taking care of role play, select your role players. Give them the topics so that they come prepared. अचानक से एक्सटेम्परी आप करते हैं तो फिर पीपल आर लॉस्ट, और इसीलिए वो कैमरा ऑफ करके चले जाते हैं. अगली बार से प्लीज बी प्रिपेयर्ड. प्रिपेयर, कोऑर्डिनेट इन सच अ वे that everybody is comfortable in the class, right?